Welcome back, guys. Here in this lecture, we are going to test our knowledge, and this is something next level challenging program and problem. And this is the intelligent game problem which I am giving to you as an assignment. So, write a function that takes in a list of integers and return true if it contains 0, 0, 9 in order. So here the function name would be the intelligent game, and you will pass the list and it as a parameter, as an argument, and when you run it, then it must be returned true because this 0, 0, 9 in a sequence in an order. And when we run this intelligent game and this 0, 0, 9 is not in order because zeros are not adjacent with 9, so it must return us the false. And here intelligent game 1920450, this also return false. So you need to create the this intelligent game function with the def and pass the list, and here you need to write your code, and when you check this, then this must return true, this false, and this false. So this is the challenge for you. So I am just explaining you here in this lecture. Please try it and write the code for this. I will explain you the solution in next lecture, but try yourself to make the practice and just check your knowledge, what you have learned up to yet, how it works. So thank you. I'll be back with solution for this. Please try yourself.